Hello, my name is Jennifer and I am a student at Rio Hondo College. This video will show you what you need to do when you find out the classes you need are all closed. Click on the link to the Get Rio Student Guide. Then click to read at the center of the page. Turn the cover page for the table of content. You can turn off the volume at the top of the page. Then click on the link for step 8. Per the instructions, if all classes are closed, you should plan to walk in on the first day of class to see if the professor has space available for you to get an ad code. I did, and I got an ad code from the professor for a geography class. Let me show you how to register for a class using an ad code. Click the Exit Full Screen button at the top of the page. Go back to the Home Page tab at the top of the browser. You will need to have the 5-digit CRN and the 4-digit ad code the professor gave you. Have them ready to register for the class. From the home page, click the Welcome to my Access Rio link. Then log in using your first name, dot, your last name, and the last 4 digits of your student ID. Enter your password and press the login button. On the next screen, click the Student tab. On the next screen under Registration Tools, click the Add or Drop Classes. It is the 4th link from the bottom. Next, select the current term and click the Submit button. On the next screen, scroll down to see the Add Classes worksheet boxes at the bottom of the page and enter the 5-digit CRN. In my case, I will enter 32734 and click the Submit Changes button. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter the authorization code. I will enter the 4-digit ad code number the professor gave me today. In my case, it is 0219. Then click the Validate button. Then click Submit Changes. The next screen should show the class as registered. Then you need to complete the final step to complete this transaction. The college has a drop for non-payment policy, and after adding any class, I must pay the tuition and school fees on the same day I add the class. Otherwise, I will be dropped not only from the class I just added, but from all the classes on my schedule, even if I have paid them already. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Go to Next Step link. Since I have the BOG waiver, my fees are paid. However, if I had a balance due, I would need to pay all my fees today before 11:59 p.m. to ensure I remain registered in all my classes. Remember that you must use the 4-digit ad code within 48 hours, and if you lose the code, contact the professor to get another. Finally, remember to pay your fees the day you use the code. This concludes Step 8, instructions on how to register for a class using an ad code. Good luck.